Hi, my name is Andrew Weil. I'm the Executive Director of the Landmarks Association of St. Louis, and we are here at our new office space in Soulard on 9th Street. The history of this home is pretty interesting. It evolved through many years, as did many of the homes in the oldest areas of the city that survive. The earliest component of this home, I would estimate, dates to the 1830s, and quite probably was constructed by the Soulard family. It predates there's a stone cottage portion of this property that predates the subdivision of what we now know as the Soulard neighborhood. The rest of the property was constructed at least by 1858. So it's very early. The entire complex predates the Civil War, and it was in really awful shape. It had been abandoned for almost 40 years, these front buildings that we're standing in right now. And the front wall was getting ready to fall into the street, and it really was not a viable rehab for a commercial developer. So our organization decided to put our money where our mouth is and save this building. And we've been working on that for years now, actually. And we're just almost getting done, finally.